Asi Asukore Entwetwe Enkomo or a member, the ranking member of on the Health Committee of Parliament. Na I mean, Pegana ha woman play role ye in terms of Ghana development. Baby, a professional medical doctor. Now, Obeka and say was a trendy. Or trendy because yes, I see the go NDC for no so say Galamsey no moon solve no. Oma kwatchini tape aba say ono no kra na o MPP for mu support Galamsey because ono kwa kan say Galamsey no. Ye mpamu omo ne mpamu omo china because NDC for ye pamu omo a omo de be campaign. Nti mbese mbusa say ono so support Galamsey ana. Ye ne betwetwe nkomo plus other matters Nhyira 104.5 ti bra Facebook yete koi but yasaba bra Facebook na afi ye ne honorable Afriyie Entwetwe nkomo.
Oh yeah! Come on!
Nhyira
104.5
Honorable, good morning.
Good morning, bro.
Biaboko.
Ko you me hoya now so e.
I say ho ye pa. Isi aya chisi.
Isi aya cheko yo. So wo bia obo djuma sa, entu nya tamba unia. Ko yo. Obo djuma sa.
Azemo, mi sensia.
Very fine.
Se wonna, ntimi zo men.
Ko yo men la e ba o mi djuma nko a o.
Sa.
Se ye wie mine na be ma ya fa ho.
Aya o ye.
Better mu musa dan kwa we o de aba. Okay. Okay. Then this for some my idea.
I didn't think I could say Galamsey no. Mpene so mpamo Galamsey because at that time you can say Galamsey no. I was so ye bibi fa ho. MPP for mu to Galamsey na mo nkrofo to Galamsey ye ka bibia mu ntie nsuo no ho no ye kan ya afi ni abre no na a home medical doctor medical doctor wona hwe ye kidney ni ye liver a wonim say the effect of Galamsey afi ye kobaya yes o say ye mpamo Galamsey phobia because who to bintia I didn't know what say.
Say me to be anke abomidi. Aje, I will go back ajeta. Aje go. Koyo.
Yes.
Mami nche T4.
T4 Josu.
Love FM share mo group no there. You are always in your own space and you set your agenda, explaining agenda, looking at issues of a trend in the interest of the public. And more change the musunti. They be more current and even the area fikra more interested in policy promotion. We show no money everything. I mean, you are capable of the policy, the understanding, the systems, the whatever. So I always tell people say, "Oko, you show get intelligent."
Yes.
Get intelligent, and I there are a couple of people like that were Ashanti, and I like that style.
Yes.
Good. Me da CP. Koyo menchia machi tie for no machi asokoro ne fijase for. O mada Roman na me de MP. Nti machi amuni na. Koyo. Me say. Asama me kai no de man kan bone na emomo na eye TV3 for na man koye bone ne NDC for na man koye bone. Nti me ba be chirem.
All right. So o ka say Galamsey for umpamo.
Oh man kan bone.
Na one kan no. Enya one kan na say no say doctor.
Say me ba be chirem say omo na omo doctor tape no.
Ah okay.
Aha, nti no say bibia no de adwem bone ya. Ekoba kama na san be si so.
Okay.
Because adwem pa o de kan no. Na yini na famu aba. Ankanya say ye bibre yo. Because mining is good.
Yeah.
Ubedru Ghana. Uko airport kojo arrival usifi play ba oba ape airport ya. Ubonzo mo di aboho invest in mining in Ghana.
Sir?
Yeah. Aboho pa di be Tuesday me Colande kaka me bedru Friday ya. Na many other MP na nam. Enti
invest in mining.
Every
apart from Ubake.
Let me catch you.
Invest in mining.
Terminal 3 America Ghana.
That's right.
So unye PF play me boa. Mama reporters in Accra. Me mama ko yin free ho Ghana Airport Company eda ho. Me chose o mo ye advert o metuaka.
It's a news team no. Adom
no.
Arrival.
Invest in
mining.
Unye free play mo Ufri oko lane now before washroom now on your right. Almost invest in mine. Just Ghana ya jewa to me say ya mining the start ya che the mfe niagro. Baby. Start ya here.
That's right.
Yeah. Good. Now the biamika say in the literature of Emmanuel and a group of people, almost published it 2018. Almost say Ghana mining started 7th AD. 8 AD. Just say, another minio, and yet nasemo, and an ananomo at the mining. And almost say from their literature, no, almost say na in so to na a year begu river nano, normal na a month for the year trading better. Just an ananomo, a japadia, a Ghana, and Sanabenya good coast.
Yeah.
Now, the problem of last year, and a yenyachum of politicians, and I said it all the time. Nameka all the time. Say, Ebiti Accra, they confuse what is small scale mining and illegal mining. Then large scale mining. Now large scale mining, and then I brought from here. Mainly. Na and also na omokofom. And also na sikawumupa.
Right.
And International Labour Organization classifying it as the legal form of mining. Now, the one a year less expensive to approach obetiminya good no, and the small scale mining.
Right.
And also over 100 years, Ghanaians are small scale mining. Yes, through Nkrumah companies a Ghana for there. And no mo ya na wakataso and saying so. No, into obi wo ho na nanom companies a German na besi ne. Abide a regulatory or license from ministry or license from EPA. Okay, good. A bit to be small scale mining na oma frame. Oma frame che say oye papa eso so bone so. Patwa say.
They are frame.
Yes, we are frame.
Oye small scale but oye Galamsey.
Yes.
Okay.
And a bit so yes illegal mining. Ne dia ne say me bokro no me say no. Ye di abro.
Right.
Ntomo ko reserve, forest reserve. Now forest reserve never say binti ase. Hey, forest reserve the Akrobia ja forest reserve because of degradation, erosion, rainfall anyway. Enye baby na yekomu inremo. Akrobia omo ye market area.
Right.
This is a forest reserve. In America, UK, yetimi ja area because of the large effect of forest. A lot of preservation from the uhun edua to insuo to a form to minerals to nutrients to environment. Just say, among for crampo, they don't understand it.
Right.
And you know, education was good. Ena yensuo so say. Insuo so no doctor. Sana okay. Mi moja 70 per uche moja no mudua. Enso eni nechi yensuo.
Right.
Enti insuo ni ho no a moja ni ho no ma se nkwa ni ho. Say yewu.
Yeah.
Enti sesi ha no de omo ye ne yewu ba. Eno ne ha ye ka say ade bia si a ye wo immediate, medium, long term. On the immediate na omo say yemfa emergency ban ento. Ana me say emergency ban na do ye bio. Amfa emwa bi ama. Debi enti at that time no omo ka emergency ban no. And even now no I na UFA I will not subscribe to emergency ban on all forms of mining.
Right.
But may you very happy for government to classify omo small scale mining which are genuine by virtue of teams alcohol with journalists, stakeholders to verify small scale mining. Yehu ni papa small scale mining na enhye omo so a epese bi no in crying. Se bi enye Ghana ni bia ne sensuo mining.
Right.
Me nya bi o. Mebusu ni bia nya bi. Me nkasa ma omo nya me namfofo. Ba no kra they all add to the ecosystem, the economic ecosystem. Ema Ghana impuntu eko. Se sikefio sikabonio. And so good no or the bar unim the difference between the bad and the good.
Right.
Yes, unim man ka be ka say o go di de kwan ya de fa so mempe fako.
Right.
Pacho ase here. But Ghana hu here. You see the ekofom. Ya ho kire eba. Eye obi gold and a condi chrome Emma gold normal reserve Emma or no nisika bia yeden ebe fa gold no ha and I yesterday biano ye ho den come from essence ye gold near the kwama no ye nkipi wa ha
right
nti ye nye niam ye
right
ye nye niam ye I should think say we as politicians may have failed from independence to now because so we your gold and I said the offshore gold so no change the binas so nye binas and the Dutch in the busunya for the bia obe keeping the gold na we in any ama the BNC and I should think that we politicians maybe they menka ho but say oh solve the problem there you have to deliberately put yourself in I think young politicians in pre-independence to now we must admit say we have failed the citizens because say onye gold krana the indirect benefit you have from gold no untimi nka ho asem enti bone kwa why you come and I cascade it to now to this point and on a emergency bag na obia ban na there be na ban saying enti how would you then let the bad people be called out? How would you then encourage the Ghanaian doing the proper thing to do? Because on also no a creative job helping the economy. And now okay, Bani go say what is the percentage of forex? The dollars bag Ghana ha no maya ho odija. Mumaya who the percentage of gold forex the contribution of gold. Now you hold the percentage how now be who say banning emergency no ad hoc to say panic to say we don't plan like you fail to plan so you plan to fail so like you see your fire service you
say the no more change say because it's a small scale miners funny be a Galamsey intino oban baby a month or two now to me then you can allow the good ones to start operating.
But when you ban it, the whole we are in economic recession, sort of, and coming up. So when you do things like this, Bibia in economic policy, I'm steady here. Bibia will answer right. Everything in economics is right, but it depends upon the approach. That's it. And to me, can say emergency ban and you're right. No, but me so me for no. But why wouldn't you by now 8 months unclassify my year? Small scale for any year. Now, we can say small scale for this evidence. We can no say so. Now, what group of money now to small mine? No, I can say, some companies when now you're part of the Ebe Banino. So I say, let's say, we are small scale by now would be a small scale.
Okay.
So you are trying to encourage small scale mine, and they said there is a reward for something good you always do.
Right.
Omo ye small scale man no mo sika nti so odi wa bro a odi ma gangs no e mo koye omo ba na ati say ye ma ye nche nti no ono oye papa but the sika san so koye extra job enya bi wo ho
right
nti say by now why oh state machinery BNI BNI wo every district they see bi omunim they obi di kampo munim on person mo ho be hu nti untimi enka say by 9 months now no profile ma ye hu the right agency and the yes ye bebane company we illegal mining because we mu yahwehwe no omo ka ho bi we dey and no can me no we adwen because you have put a human face you have realized that you are correcting ye be correct here there no and extremely punitive ne there mo na mo say no ntimo mo dey illegal for no there eye gidi and dey gidi even that one no in omo ho chire omo wi on be catch say yen solve ade no problem yen solve because see omo hu say enye say bia wo ba na Ghana ni bia o hu say ukoye no obia na akoye say it becomes ukobani obia it becomes yes me free me asantini masanti sem here me so me ni po enti say fishing ba problem about leaks water leak na omo de DDT no omo net here small fishes omission some mo use no etimi yi adode ne sa akpavi small ones no say no don't use no
right.
For 20 years and you go to the documentary they've been talking to water the omo mining along the water lake say o de mo nya ne say omo can say ye ban water lake because also the lake not ho no and you cannot just go and ban somebody's household economy look at the adverse effect
right.
And me good. Me support to good, but baby I miss me free war habai mu hayi or the forest zone. the Yankopon the chair or no. Enti enye se minua nti na che so no de say. Enti ukoye de classify. Na me hu say company bi woni abon say mama say na ubon say journalists will be celebrating the companies and it would start motivating small scale miners to say, hey masa.
I think the problem here, the term that you use, say banning Galamsey. I'm sure so can say banning small scale mining.
Good. And also no, this is the interpretation. Me catch you say a man for beating crying. Omu name the meaning of Galamsey.
Okay.
Omu free small scale mining Galamsey.
Okay.
Esan say oye bibini dia, do oye bia ye bone. Nti dia bibini ne ye na eye no kre na ye papa na aban e ma ne krata na oye ne ye no. Obi tin kran ofre no Galamsey.
Okay.
And I'm saying, say the ono ko in real mu ko nsuo mu ko say ko bokro no say nsuo na ye ono so mo frɛ no Galamsey.
Okay.
And I'm say yembani all forms of mining, but oko demonstrators no say ban Galamsey ban ukobusa omo say any obi oyi two form obi omo ye enti Mr. D omo argument no one cry hu say na omo nim the difference between small scale miner there oye ni ye
any Galamsey
and there oye illegal mining Galamsey omo feni na Galamsey and I'm say Galamsey in the same speech Galamsey na eye de omo ye ni ye ni de ye njai na njai china.
Okay.
So what you say? And a Galamsey na eno wo nsuo ni we ni de ye ni na omo ye mambofo.
Okay.
Ye ni na ye clamp na ye NDC for na de omo ba because many of those are ye information in my middle belt am ye ko no ye foreigners.
Okay.
And many of the foreigners no match omo am kire
and it's even confirmed
Chebi police station na omo wo and omo chi bi wo Ufri Oba this and you name good. So what you say?
In fact, last week here to Chrome for bi ba ha. And I'm no mo twetwe nkom person mu di omudi. Omo se nana Chroma for na no. Dodo na say dodo na ye foreigners.
Right.
And last week here.
Good. Enti me ko kanisa. And at TV3 eyi
sa premise.
Sa honey na free was say. Unza me can say ebi etenkran. Omo nim ade a eye small scale mine omo fe ne Galamsey. And na Galamsey ba ko no. Enti omo kan Galamsey back no. So what you say? And I'm kind illegal mine. And I'm say Galamsey na ye papa no ye njai na njai china. And I'm kofa Galamsey ye njai na njai china. And I'm di bomu. And me dey full piece ni call media commission. Omo hu say TV3.
And that's how they call NMC.
Me report here. It's on my WhatsApp. Yeah, I did.
Say the doctored.
Doctored. But when NMC wrote to me, said they've asked them to come, and to me I responded. And I can say election year politics. Somebody did me. What I'll forget about them, but I'll meet them again. What was it? I've met them again.
Yeah.
What was the NDC for? I did a my doctor no. Momotiwa me kan ya manfa no. And then the platform so me na mo share mo ho na akire mo. Say ne anka Vice President Oba has say okọ emanfi koka say Galamsey ye wade ye ni ye ba ye behwe mu na ya aboa won na wetima ye ni ye ono mpo dokoka in the video ho na okoka ye no na at that time the tempo and the heat was against the MPP into ma me no de obi amfi no but na you Afriyie de no e medo be coordinator no omo doctor no eno na ye and NDC for who mo share mo platform so mo ho akire mo be che mo kran mpo akire say because mo mpe no kre Umpeno Crenintino, Cecia, a man for say Yambane. But you see, let's be honest to ourselves. Ghana for I'm a medical doctor. Implication of mercury cyanide in the soil, in the river, and they are the main cause of a lot of people who have kidney problem. I'm also saying dialysis, no. So that's here. Because we don't prevent it in Intino. People are struggling. And unfortunately, these are the poor people. Because the rich people no nya sika no they makwa abrochi o tukwan okwa abrochi ehwehwe ne ho the poor person not insuo ne ho ewo in crook hetu anu no wo na wo oba ekoye bia wo so a wo onye bi no wo na wo no musansuo no at the end of the day ye na problem no ba affect here but say ode immediate ban eto so dia kojo I still stand by it whether it was under MPP or in an NDC. That is not a human face to solving the issue.
Parliament to be a mobesa akawe hu asem.
Yeah, be kan hope especially the health implication.
Okay.
Yes, we are moving on the health implication to push excessive pressure on government. On my hu comfort papa ni comfort bone. But what you say? Good. And insuo na ankobra na ense na ese na joy mo multimedia for koye interview omo say there be almost 30 years 6 months ni na ese no wodi blue water guard for akogu epona insuo na no na yetu om posumi bia na afi na ese enti say policeman okwohwe ade na say wo okumi ko adwuma no pa na anwumre na yenkun na wote ho na wo ye adwuma na say insuo na ese ya and yes, and the meeting makers that want to confront the human boom. Because at the end of the day, the government has all the resources to be able to find the source. Look, as a medical doctor, I say go to the, even if there's a public health emergency, go to the index, the source. Mube to me the helicopters, what Ghana Air Force na ni more canoe, ni more speedboats na. Mube to me with stakeholders are finding the entry of the pollutants from the soil or for the area. O de opa mo mamo ho say inso no wa ma ntimi mfa 1 week. O de mamo 3 weeks. Mo betimi dia to boase morning and evening e de hu all the sources of contribution. Na mo timi afine why. Mo bebu some why. I go to the source of the pollution.
Critical analysis.
Basic and government mean chire the source of it. Now you are going to ban emergency ban. You are being disingenuous. You know the people causing it. You owe all the resources to power. So, in as much as MPP government was helpless, almost show good faith. Nanado take a risk. Ekaze, but no only all the support of
opposition,
the opposition, the media, and everybody. But at that point, no position, the political.
Okay.
Emma a costume seat ma a man for no threaten another car say ye be show and was say mo be show me kura nya hwe say me gi nipa ne nkwa through the man ye de be si BNC the co-election no ye nipa o lose seat bebre
yeah
na at the same time no NDC for ne to so say ye bakura o mo macheche mo ne ye be release you mo so you see NDC.
And then so mobile on Muntimin Chimpany no Crana or more Cana no
NDC you muma NDC more politicize the fight. And if this fight to be successful, you NDC, I was some more sorry one. Na mokoche MPP for tenacity say Jack. Na moche ahemfo. Wo de musuro kra ma ahemfo and catalyze. Na ma asiafo ni hu say nkrofo no. Na mopa mo se mo betimi aka no kra. Munye a bipartisan monitoring or a national committee that work with state agency, not military. Don't go and tell the police more a military person there who says order from above. Now order from above, the one above and Hannah appointed. I don't believe in that one.
Yeah.
But if se wo se wo pese ye boawa ye moawo mo. But me a politician, me aka say, oh, emergency ban, but masa obania good good him, but see the back form. I want you be ban. Me you happy when you be Ghana Nico for you to get power. I don't think that one is a logical thing to get power.
Okay.
So what I say,
right?
And to me, no, I will not subscribe to. And can make us say any no, I don't enjoy that. If you watch her, nurses for no call strike. I pleaded with the nurses. Say, can we? Mobile me go back to work na amanfo nyo mo nkwa ba ye be kama mo and the idea ho esimu ne start say ye ka I could have said after all 2020 omo call the same president no man call strike 3 weeks mama na 4 months to elections around this time August omo call friend say strike 3 weeks no more penny class 7 no omo hu no at that time man kaka so MPP ni but NDC for no more funny idea no but momo the buy you know we told you people you see there are things you can do politics but I ask myself in Nipa no lose all his life what is the essence of the politics? I'm being stupid but when o started first na buy no cooperative na say uko na o step PG na you get to a point you have to get bold and become political because they are also or acting or acting.
Right.
But on started first year, on second year, now the third year straight. Let's just say ulterior motive. I want power. I don't think we would like people to die and then we get power. And then who would you work with? But what you are saying?
Right.
I in my position always like commonsensical approach to issues first, if he allows me.
Right.
And Obisu a radical approach, which is commonsensical, but like I said, Obiane the temperaments and how actions would be.
Right.
And as we sit now, the NDC government has failed 9 months woefully.
Right.
And for Ankobra to also join through the multimedia work, it means that allegation, there is a sense of collusion, conniving between the actors, factors in the industry. Enuntina Ankobra no Central Region for Omusu say.
Nhyira 104.5 many honorable Afriyie MP for Afriyie member of ranking member on the health committee in parliament. Now Yembra Muluka Minimze Musa Dankwa, a credible person was Adiaba. Dr. Bawumia a lead in the polls. But other persons why suggest otherwise. HSA Dr. Bawumia a truly with Kenya Japan. But whatever it is, a few months, barely 4 months, na makwakwatuaba. But say it is saying because there have been people who are saying say Mode Bawumia ba obesari waka mbari.
Hane kan ba Ken.
Enye Ken nko.
Okay.
Yeah, nkofo bi enu medi nkomo ha. Eno wusu bempan so mo am prophet. Or the Abbas I warn him say, oh, yeah,
Mina say the NDC for prophet, the MPP prophet.
There be no MPP ni Abufutia. And
you there be any mean to mean diagnosis.
There before 8 years in
the optics now Okobo Empire Emma John said John Nyankopon said enti any kasa nyaminipa ba kwa MPP dia ni meka so NDC.
There be ono wan fa horn bi amajo mahama. At least what the horn man na Kufu.
But we the Okobo Empire man say Nyankopon so only president bi.
But we Okobo Empire no the horn. But we so the horn say
Okobo Empire. Nyaminipa na so MPP.
Oh,
the MPP ba the make us NDC the oye home film ba oye MPP do the make us oye NDC
obompai bebre mamo but we say mo de Bawumia ba obelusu
eno okano after election na before
election say enre ya the okan na trending no
Debbie tie ni the enre the trending no a omo de chem sesi ya no omo say na o say NDC for to me conform Sena anano MPP for lose election cause we dey abedi be lose election.
We dey was repeat. Mesa bo no acho.
Okay, obetimi asanso abo.
Ma bo no acho. No uti na ate. Why clear say ma won no mo. Say mo.
Entino sena oye last election no. Ono ye oka say Bawumia enwini.
Yeah.
But John Mahama ebe wini. So ati ase.
Yeah.
So no a. Eno no aso beka say skills says here NDC for almost skill no almost 2 minutes there Ecofom so what you say good and at start of the year year ne best start no ono aso kwa say Ken ebe win mebua
yeah
enemy here start of the year osu bempa o say Ken ebe win mebua na and at the end of the day ye ko ekon mebua na and say ye ko enti ye ko na se ye bedu ho no mo a ye adwuma so na obo ne empire na so ye boy ye
enti ne kakra bi
MPP for musumuntie mo de
NPP listen to your prophetic word
MPP mistake amoye ni bre bi atwa mu no
you see the mistake
mo san head towards the same mistake mo hwe ya mo so mo better opposition sa na mo da so te wo
now the mistake you did some time ago you are still committing the same mistake. And if you are not careful, you remain in opposition.
Samunim namo kofa ni enya nyame choice. Namo for so di ni enya nyame choice ba.
I say MVP. Munim namo koye.
Vice President who asema noka.
Naze unim na okofa the enya nyame choice na koye we
dey. Mistake na Dr. Bawumia. Maybe okay kabum ye. Se obenya 30.
Omo jini na jini di mama hasa mama yen koso na enye yeguma. Me come presby sorry.
Okay.
Bo me Ayew ya Nyankopon oma me the direction.
Direction Dr. Bawumia.
Me kwa na me win. Eye Dr. Bawumia na o win. About we ono na ebe win he. Oko eye clear even Musa Dankwa, you have always seen me. I'm not for him. They we are me bashino. Me so and then me man any credibility to his proofs. But the other by two hobby and against Bawumia. And then ono ekoye bi ba no. Or say Ghana for voters. Omo check here, omo person mo betimi ato abama omo Ghana no. 57% say omo beto ama Bawumia. But what I say, and 27 say 20 9 some be to amaken and ye Ghana for ena ono Musa dadan kwa ya eya mukotu ni ono a osan so eba MPP for aba ye kokoto no ena o say MPP for ekoto no omo check ye no 47%. Musa dadan kwa ya na ono aba February March hono eka say awomia obelusu ono ane ba ye no ka say Ghana for mpe awomia after 8 months minimum dey assessment Musa danko ya ena all kasa die we enti ye de ane say ye ejuma ye boy empire ye tu ya namo ye ejuma patwati ase good ena professor ewo Ghana ha say no enye ba ko pe na wo ho ena nyankopon o say o reveal in parts o reveal the in parts the say na onu hu ni part no sa na ebi so hu omo part omo ka say bawumia be wini eno so no yenim prophets bebre aba out e kasa omo ka bi a e ka bi tie yen yenim bebre Abraham say oka say yen wini last elections say our boss ye be wini spiritual president de onu mpo na oyema running mate no oka ye o say John be wini o de say running mate we na be oka 2021 spiritual president onu aso asamba o say bawumia e be wini Joshua J oka say MPP be lusu poto Joshua J wasan so aba out o say bawumia be wini enye onu nko a wala say oye we o say MPP e be lusu poto onu asan so aba enti Owusu bempa ono so ehune de eye ono so ne da ye ne bebi akopie no ena ebi so epie ena Bible mu there are some professors na me say no Israel on be kokon omo ni na aka say ekoha ba ko pe ekoka say ebekoha no ono ne de na ebe mu enti we are not worried about that in the realms no omo ne call realms wo ye ni hobby into the yenya o masema o na ye ndi physical enyuma I was here moving we'll move on it and then we'll work on it because the reasons why Ghanaian vote we know about it we are clear but the issue at stake is say but all the info was been padian ono akasa no say Ghana for engine chomo say oye prophet emu an osan ekan into the info no too
why Bawumia ye were 5 minutes
Dr. Bawumia
5 minutes Bawumia
me say the elections na obeko no bibie ni hono mo a oye ya ensen fata elections oye ni ye oye message ye nanso so Ghana for say ya so na be ye den Ghana for say yen MPP for be arrogant Ghana for say eba say en ye ka say munye we manye E-levy manye gaming manye reshuffle manye na eno Bawumia na this one Bawumia cosam look anger ye di tumi mawa na say one fam bro ho ase na say odi kosro a onu akora o fo say onu de onye obia no eda ne duru ho no mu a obeche say mekokomoti na ye bi afa du ho na ye patch so mbeto aba nipa no about 2.1 million people na nkoto aba ebufo be show mu this is the first time hu MPs a babontin be yeah demonstration against their own government because of the level of anger that was in the people and Bawumia o de Bawumia nye ye oko Asante ha say de bia meka Asante ye Rosa na Emma at the end of the day me kokes be me koke can be last 2 years last 3 years meka ye me see baby a unya vote wo no momfa musika ento ho we Bawumia we enye Bawumia so at here we can say ye Bawumia at the end of the day MPP as we are here ye tribalistic say oye nkranio oye igbenio oye awozanio ejuma no ekuo ni yeku wo be join na say utimi ye ejuma na ye beto ama enye obi party ni akase ba kofo de ye momodia e na asantefo de e na achimfo de ye believe in that obi bi obeba bia say oye Christian ye na kojoy say obi etimi kire beebi anka ne maame ana ne papa enko ware mfi anka ba na anka obi apesa anka ye broni fi America na obi akofri nofa woni hwan e na waba be ka je ne se wo de wo yesremuni onyankopon ukọ we ya obebusa obebu watare yi naten na obebu waten se ono abo obi aba at the end of the day wo de ultimate na wi aseka se wo de wo no wo ye me na wo de wo suchin obi enye ne saa ye party ni we don't believe in that ena abato ekoto ye no so no nema bebre si ye no ye ne yaso ye den ena ye de ball Bawumia senuem Bawumia onya hwe onya boni bia eye opasumdue owodo de okache party for to omakoma so And that is why I was saying no supporting Bawumia Okowini. And this election, Bawumia is going to win. Obviously, NDC force, you know, more daily. Obe finish you almost simple. And they are simple. Crossing the Bawumia there, 2016. Yan ye didn't call ya or can send baby ya to Abawi no Mokaja Zamaza. What can say we are this year the president and your woo into Quechiri. In the MPP, yan set Bawumia up. Tamana unhia ni pakas ane dia ose Bawumia ye lecture no Bawumia so dwem no bom no the ideas ba manifesto no wa chair no wa ye bibia fine afi ye nia to me we no mo say maza to me na ba no anya wo president near president ono azo won Crawford bu man
to mu yi ni sinchen
nasa everywhere in the world until we hear politics I always tell people say fa hu jija okokokun bebre a ye ba no to omo ebedi 2 minutes kra na wan hwe ya wa ye be use wo kra nya wo kra na obedi 2 minutes NDC fo a mo ye say prayer say craze say whatever it is uja wada je koye we say mu bi wo krampo omo ko US and they say ko NDC fo bebre ko US because they will require to cry plane ground to me airport to cry grant so what you say and so wo di wada je ni wo sweat ni obi kokko ye ko twins hekai yeah ebi koso a omo dom hu be say omo bom hu nsi o no makotwa Instagram no mo pictures TikTok na mo hu say yes they see how they arrive so what baby and now that's na wo be so what I said that's the issue as
to man bisa question na yemfe say no ye kwa NDC mu no unia Haruna Edrusu in NDC na top presidential ahead of Nketia forcing Debra internet say Bawumia ba oni nia Haruna Edrusu ni bishia
say Ghana betchere say Ghana country a sebi say obo hom hodin a obetumi aye say we ye Muslim o we ye Buddhist o we ye dian yo na ne somosom say ye bu atan a Nyankopon emu yaten na Nyankopon na ka say ye mu atan Matias ye enti Ghana no say kodu baby a eye Muslimi fo na beko emfa ye dia ne say enchirimba hu say Ghana de ye baako ye do ye ho
me the question bezem busa Bawumia obetumi Haruna say ekoba say Bawumia ne Haruna na ekwa
me say president bia okobia oni de okoya our party for so elusu ye no jama no kofo ni atamos koye ojama atamos fofi anto atamos nti by all means John ni Bawumia koye ona na ado koye na ado ji na ado ni John koye odema John nti sesi ya John ni Bawumia ko okwa the same it won't change. Look, let's do unsolved theory, unsolved matrix. Let's do proper business development and business matrix. There's a matrix in business development and marketing. We call it the unsolved old market. Now we share product, new product, old product, and a market. The market of political elections.
Yeah.
And an old product, as in Bawumia, and a new product. Now go and see the meaning. The meaning of old market is penetration.
Yeah.
And the meaning of old and new is product development.
Yeah.
NDC would have to product develop.
Haruna.
They will product develop him for a period. And that is political economics. It is there.
But side demand the Bawumia modika yendada.
For 16 from 2008, Akwalakra ye ni running mate na we 4 years. 26 to 2007, how many years in here? Are we not close to about 20 years?
Yeah, 20 years.
In Takola we 4 years, Christ about
20 years.
2 thereof or 2 about 4 years in here.
Right.
And the Bawumia is penetrated.
Okay, thank you. Final word, 30 seconds.
But
you were supposed to remember UDS for Ewini. I mean, the coach was good.
UDS for my idea, and the coach, I'm say former RTU for coach being way. Oh, I say yeah. Say in a time will be better shining. But I think soccer no, more be soccer no. Soccer no. I mean, say omo kaba na switching there. Switching Galamsey kaba. Soccer kaba wa Ghana hana the mafia no.
Politics.
The soccer politics. Switching Galamsey politics. Omo ye mafia. Che say omo so mafia se there. Omo fa ho ni wa koma o. Omo fa Ghana fo ho.
Politics.
Omo politics omo ye wo ho no. Omo ye sum nipa o. Sa nipa ni fi mo ye. Obu Ghana fo mo be su sa omo fi. Che say the politics of me say soccer no Black Star no me follow. Me I'm not good with football and stuff like that.
Yeah.
But they be me so omo din krofo akoma di agro. Omo man krofo wuda because those in the GFA they are mafias, omo so mafias there. And they don't care about Ghanaians and how you feel. They care about their money, their power and their game. How they survive. Meanwhile, yes, yet to Honoma, na ye TM, na manfo wu, na ebi kumewa, say, say, ye tension to me bagana na football keke. Obia ko win na ebedoaba. Do you realize that? Nyankopon okwambia, o ma yet me the football at the Kame Canadians.
Yeah.
First now boxing or Azuma. Just we unite sadly na ye we fear ho. Into obi nyanka football so na e drive.
Right.
Nanka politics yi sabi pressure back too much and football. And so football for no.
That's it. Honorable Afriyie, a member of Parliament for Efidiasi Asokore, a ranking member on health. Honorable Yedasi, thank you very much.